Hey Suhani, how are you?
Hey Salman, I'm doing very well, thank you.
Okay, so Suhani, if you guys don't know, is a very popular magician from India. I've actually been following you since 2015 or something.
Yeah.
Not very closely, but I remember following you back then, and it was very cool that you were pursuing your career as a magician. And obviously, since then you've grown a lot in terms
you.
of your reach and the work you're doing. I'm sure.
Thank
so
you.
tell me, how's it going? How's job as a magician?
Well, it's going pretty well, and I think magic is pretty coming up in the country, and it's great because it's a traditional art form from our country, which I think sort of disappeared in between.
Magic is from India?
It is a very traditional art form of India.
Okay.
You know, we can't say it is from India only because we do not know in many places many people were doing many
Okay.
things, so we cannot pinpoint that it came from India only. But it's a traditional art form from our country and of our country. But it had somehow बीच में से थोड़ा सा कहीं चला गया था.
Okay.
It was happening, but it was not happening at a level it should. I don't feel it's still the country has given justice to the art form, but I think people are still adapting more to it and accepting it more, and it's coming up really well. So yes, I think
So
it's
tell
doing
me,
well.
how did you get into it? How did you become a magician?
Oh, I was very young. I was 6 years old, and I went and told my father I want to do magic, and he was like, "Oh, chacha ki padhai kar." But I was a stubborn kid, and I convinced them that I really want to do magic. But my father is somebody who's always is like, you want to do something, do it with intensity, with seriousness. Don't just do it just for the sake of it to waste your time. So he told me that if you want to perform magic, you can't be performing at schools or birthday parties. You have to do like a big show. I was 6 years old. I was saying yes to everything, and it just happened that way. They supported me. It took 1 year of finding people and convincing them to teach me magic. And at the age of 7, I performed my first show. So
This is brilliant. Before that, I just want to ask you, what does your dad do?
my father's businessman. He's not
So
in the
this
art
is so
form.
amazing. Okay, actually, her dad actually totally supported her
Yeah.
at a very young age, and that got her so seriously into the role that she's
Yeah.
doing right now, which is so interesting.
It is.
Okay, now tell me, how did you develop your skills as a magician? How did you practice it, and how did you become what you are today?
I think one of the finest thing is when you start early. I started at the age of 7, and I was doing conventional magic shows. When I say conventional magic shows, they're like, if people know about the PC Sarkar type show, like I had a big set and I had 40 people to assist me, lights, set, music, equipments, cutting a person into half and flying in the air. And I would do those shows every single day. It would be more like a circuit setup kind of a thing. Not really a circus, but setup was like that, where you go to a city, you perform there every single day for a month, and then you go to another city, then perform there every single day of the month, and you perform twice or thrice a day on weekends. So I was on stage literally every single day as a kid. Like I did not go to school, I did not compete, I didn't do anything in my life other than performing on stage. And when you're doing something every single day of your life, I think that is practice. It just hones your skills on its own. You're facing the audience every day, you're making mistakes every day, and you become honed to what mistakes, how to deal with that, how to handle crisis management. So I think my upbringing was my entire practice session, and today also things go wrong.
Fantastic,
but
fantastic.
Yeah. And you just keep doing it.
But there's no school of magic as such,
No.
right? So I think there are secret sources to learning all these things.
Yeah.
Okay, so now you tell me, do you train, do you teach people, do you have people who are looking up to you in terms of magic and things like that?
So the already upcoming magicians or who are already in the field and they want help and support and hone their skills or just want feedback, I'm always available for that. But when it comes to teaching somebody who just wants to get into magic, I think I do not teach people who just want to get into magic. Just for the
I mean,
sake
like
of it.
mentorship, like someone who's maybe developing and things like that.
Yeah, so them I of course support and I'm always there for them, but I will not go and teach from scratch
Yeah.
because I
And you
feel magic is an art form that should not be taught. Like you always say that particular dance form should be taught so it maintains and it encourages the art form and more people come in and get popularized. I feel the more people know magic, the art form is ruined, because if no people know it, who are they going to perform for? So the less the magicians, the better the art.
Now, final question, you should totally check out Suhani on Instagram and everywhere, first of all. Tell me, can you just tell the listeners as to what is the type of magic that you do? What's your speciality and all that?
Okay, so magic has various, like dancing has various genres like Kuchipudi, Bharatnatyam, Salsa, Contemporary, Jazz, Hip-Hop, Tap dancing. Similarly, magic is the parent category which has various genres under it like mentalism, escapism, blindfold, stage manipulations, street magic, conjuring, table magic, many of them, illusions.
Yeah.
So in that, I started my career as an illusionist, but now what I do is mentalism. Mentalism is an art form that doesn't involve props. Like there are no boxes or anything. Magic doesn't happen with props. Magic happens with you, with humans, with their minds. So we try to read minds and predict futures and unlock phones and know ATM pins and talk to spirits, or at least give an illusion
dangerous.
of doing all of that. So yes, that's
No,
what
actually, so we are at Under 25 Summit, and over there, at a big stage, she actually wooed the whole crowd. Major magic scenes.
I do. It's a great
earlier.
audience here.
Awesome, loved it. Thank you so much.
It was nice
for
chatting
speaking.
with you, Salman. Thank you so
Likewise.
much. Bye guys.